So guys, what's up? This is your boy George Vlog. For today's video guys, dito tayo sa Bristol Motorcycle Cam Store. Dito lang yun sa Mabolo, along gas station lang to guys, sa Shell Station, US Express. Pasokin natin guys, tingnan natin yung mga motor nila. Kung mahilig ko sa mga adventure bike, meron dito guys sa Bristol Motorcycle Cam Store. Let's go! So yung guys, ito yung Shell Station. Ayan, makita nyo ganyan yung Bristol dito. So pasokin natin to guys. Ayan guys, maraming sisi na no guys. Let's go guys, so guys, what's up? This is your boy George Vlog. Ngayon guys, dito tayo sa Bristol Motorcycle Cam Store upang tingnan natin yung mga motor nila, kung magkano ang price nila, kung magkano din ang hulugan nila guys. So let's go guys, tingnan natin guys. So guys, ito lang guys yung first motorcycle na nakita ko dito guys, Escape, na worth 658,000, and DP niya guys is 190,151,000 pesos. 12 months guys is 54,395. Sa 24 months is 31,146. Sa 36 months is 22,895. Escape guys. Ayan. So meron naman tayo guys STR na worth 128,000 SRP niya guys. And DP niya guys is 156,488 pesos. Sa 12 months naman is 43,648. 24 months is 24,992. Sa 36 months guys is 19,926. SCR worth 508,000 guys. Ang DP niya guys is 164,279 pesos. 12 months naman guys sa installment 46,128. 24 months 26,412 pesos. 36 months 20,000. So meron naman tayo guys dito na RK 600cc. Bali ang DP niya SRP niya ay 498,000. Ang DP niya is 149,179 pesos. Sa 12 months naman 41,008. 24 months 22,572. 36 months is 18,039. Ayun guys na SRK 600. Dalawa pa lang ang kulay niya guys. Isang red. Ito naman is medyo may pagka black na din siya guys na may halong gray. Meron naman tayo dito 500. Worth SRP niya guys is 368,000. And ang DP niya guys is 14,860. 12 months is 30,422. 24 months is 70,414. 36 months is 13,390. 500cc guys. Ang mga different colors siya guys. May red, may black. Yes. Kung SRP niya guys is 178,000 and DP niya guys is 60,000. Kung mapasok sa installment 937 pesos. Sa 12 months is 14,715 pesos. 24 months is 8,426 pesos and 36 months is 6,048 pesos. Yan guys, ADX 160. Meron naman tayo dito guys, Torino 125. SRP niya is 108,000. Ang DP niya guys is 42,689 pesos kung mapasok yung sa installment. And ang 12 months mo guys, monthly is 8,828. 24 months is 5,122. 36 months is 3,912 pesos. Yan. Torino 125. Malaki ito guys. RK 600 RC Expressway Liga ito guys. SRP niya guys is 528,000. Ang DP niya guys is 156,488 pesos. Sa 12 months naman yan guys is 43,648. 24 months is 24,992. 36 months is 19,926 pesos. Ayan guys, na SRT 800SX. Price niya is 578,000. SRP niya guys. Kung papasok na installment, ang DP niya guys is 170,659 pesos. Sa 12 months naman niya guys is 47,782. 24 months is 27,359 pesos. Kung sa 36 months naman guys is nasa 20,937. SRT 800XX. Adventure bike. Venturi 500. SRP is 368,000. Guys. Ang DP niya guys is 114,860 kung mapasok sa installment. Sa 12 months naman niya guys, ang monthly is 30,422. Sa 24 months naman guys is 70,419. 36 months is 13,709. 30 pesos. Guys, Venturi, another guys na color, ibang color naman to guys. Black. Ayan. So meron naman tayo dito guys is SRK 600 RC. Ayan guys, SRP niya guys is 528,000. Ang DP niya guys naman is 156,488 pesos. Sa 12 months naman niya guys is 43,648 pesos. 24 months is 24,992 pesos. 36 months naman niya guys is 19,096 pesos. Ayan guys, no? Ito yung installment niya guys. Ang DP mo dapat is nasa 156,488 pesos. Monthly niya guys. Ayan na guys, no? Ito guys is SRK 600 RC. So guys, meron naman tayo dito guys, SRK 400. SRP niya guys is 308,000 pesos. Kung mapasok na installment, nakapilan tayo ng 99,000 pesos. Sa 12 months naman yan guys is 25,462 pesos. 24 months is 14,579 pesos. And sa 36 months naman yan guys is 11,957 pesos. SRK 400cc. Guys, no? So yung guys, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you for watching. Ayun guys, pupunta na kayo dito guys sa Bristol Motorcycle capture around Mabolo to guys. Lagay ko lang yung address nila dito guys. And contact nyo lang yung mga sales person dito guys. Lagay ko yung input nila guys. And like nyo din yung Facebook page nila. And lalagay ko dito guys, Bristol Motorcycle capture. Ayun guys, no? Follow nyo guys sila. Ayun guys, no? Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe na din sa aking YouTube and Facebook. Thank you.